Google recently released Gemini Omni, a new any-to-any generative AI model. The pitch is that you can feed it almost anything: text, images, audio, even existing video, and it generates high-quality video out the other end. It also allows you to add, change, or remove anything from your videos, which we haven't really been able to do dependably with AI until now. There's been a ton of excitement around this model, and the promo videos make it look pretty insane. But is it just hype? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use Omni inside Google Flow and run a quick experiment to see whether Omni is what it's stacked up to be or if it's all just smoke. To get started, navigate to Google Flow. You'll need to create an account and you can choose a price point that best suits your budget. I ran this test using the free 50 credits, and I recommend going this route to see what Omni can create before investing in a paid plan. Then hit Create with Google Flow. You'll land on the dashboard and have the option to add or create images, videos, voices, characters, or avatars. You also have the option to switch on Agent, which will guide you through the process and make suggestions based on your prompt. So the test I want to run is video to video, recreating a clip of myself dancing like a fool in the desert. So I'm going to upload the video and confirm I have the rights to use it. Then I'm going to add my prompt. Reimagine the scene at night with bright neon lights lighting the scene. Then under settings, select the parameters that align with your uploaded media and desired output, and be sure to select Omni Flash as your model. Then hit run and give it a minute or two to generate. As you can see, Omni completely missed the plot first time around, creating a video nothing like my input. So I tried again, instructing Omni to maintain all elements in the video. This produced a better result consistent with my video, but the lighting was flat and didn't really feel like a night scene. So I tried again, requesting neon lights to make it legitimately feel like a night scene. This produced a much better result aesthetically, but it changed my dance moves and it didn't perfectly mimic my input video. A real mixed bag of results, but as far as video to video goes, I still feel Omni is showing a lot of potential, and even this basic experiment has me excited enough to test it more with different inputs. There are also plenty of other examples online where it really seems to nail the changes in each video. With enough prompt engineering and reruns, Omni looks capable of reimagining video much more reliably than previous models. Have you tried Omni? Did it produce what you were hoping for, or did it disappoint? Let me know in the comments, and if you'd like to learn how to build your own AI native studio, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thanks for watching.